Yeah, Dash, living in a valley, Manoa residents are familiar with strong wind gusts. But I'll tell you something, the owner of this house behind me, Ken Saruda, tells me that he has never seen or felt anything like what happened this afternoon. Now, Saruda tells me he was in the living room when it happened about 2 o'clock this afternoon watching TV, when all of a sudden this loud sound just came out of nowhere, and then after that, water was just pouring down all over his living room. Okay, he says it was just one very strong wind gust that blew a section of the roof. He estimated it at about 30 feet by 30 feet.
Buckets. I mean, it was just like a waterfall, just like Manoa Valley is constantly, waterfall. So it was like a waterfall coming right into the house. Well, you could just hear the wind just whipping through. So I thought it was just, I didn't know the roof was damaged until the rain started pouring in.
But no one was hurt. That's the main thing. Yeah. Things can be replaced, but people cannot. So I'm just glad he's okay, because he was here during that, and it could have been worse if somebody had been outside, that piece blew off and hit someone.
Now, the Honolulu Fire Department came and made some temporary repairs, so at least they can keep the rain out of the house for the next few days. And what the fire department did actually was put these these strong waterproof tarps and nailed them down, so they were at least stay dry for now. They would need to actually fix it, a lot of cleaning up ahead of them, but they are grateful at least that they are getting some cover, even though there's a lot of work still ahead of them. The family also tells me that they have insurance that should cover the damage from what happened. Dash, over to you.